I just walked around an exhibition and saw a very interesting product. Let me share with you. This is the founder of the company, and what he sells is this machine. This product is very interesting. The company, they record the voice from the nature. And then people purchase back to their home. For sleeping, they can hear, or when they are learning or reading. The background music can be silent. Natural sounds in focus, and they record the voice from the nature, different places, different provinces and different places, different weather, from the sea, from the mountain. Now you can see so many plants are around their booth. If you want to know more details about this product, whether it's